why the urge to sew always hits when you're bored and staring at a pile of fabric. Today I'm sharing 25 things you can sew that are fun, easy, and actually useful, straight from the creators found on Pinterest. These are quick sewing projects, small sewing ideas, beginner-friendly sewing projects, and scrap fabric projects that are perfect when you want to sew something but don't want to commit to a huge project. Be sure to vote for your favorite idea because I need to know which Pinterest ideas you want me to try. And be sure to give a like indicating that you voted. Done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. A super thanks would be really helpful but definitely not necessary. And a thumbs up would help the channel for free so I can continue making videos. I'll have another creative video you're going to love on the screen soon. Go ahead and watch that video and I'll see you there.